Hello, I'm from Shenzhen Harrison Industry Company Limited. Welcome to our factory. We are 10 years dashcam manufacturer with CE Rose FCC certificate. Now, we'd like to introduce you one of our hot selling products, H2. This is mini style with 2K resolution. Now we will give you more details. This is the appearance of the product. Now for the manual details, it's 2K resolution with IPS thickener, can fully swatch screener for front. Instead of both with 115 degree, retiners can fully adjust the height. The support front and inside loop recorders with loop video function, professional equipped with exclusive HDR function, can enhance image details, but also can adjust the exposure. It is fully functional and equipped with motion detection, designer parking, guard deter seating, parking monitoring, and other functions to ensure driver safety. Inside the camera with 4 IR night can work well at night also. If you are interested, please contact us directly. Thank you for coming. Goodbye.